Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model 3 HEPA filter. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a T20 Torx bit. You will also need 2 new HEPA cabin air filters. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the climate control system is completely off before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Next, carefully remove the passenger side underdash panel using your trim tool. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the 2 electrical connectors attached to it. Then, locate and remove the T20 Torx screws that hold the glove box in position. This step grants you access to the filter housing, which is located behind the glove box assembly. Now, open the filter housing cover by releasing its clips. Carefully pull out the 2 old HEPA filters, paying attention to their orientation. This helps ensure correct installation of the new ones. Then, insert the 2 new HEPA filters into the housing, making sure the airflow arrows point towards the front of the vehicle. Proper direction is crucial for effective filtration. Finally, securely close the filter housing cover. Reinstall the glove box, tightening all the T20 Torx screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the 2 electrical connectors and reattach the passenger side underdash panel. Once everything is back in place, turn on your Tesla's climate control system to confirm that the new filters are working correctly and airflow is strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.